I can confirm that the Emirate of Ras Al Khaimah and Ras Al Khaimah Tourism Development Authority have achieved 2 new Guinness World Records titles for the longest chain of aquatic floating fireworks and the longest straight line drone display. The adjudication way for the first record, which is the longest chain of aquatic floating fireworks, I needed to ensure that the whole route of the fireworks has operated on time, all of them, which is what happened, and all of them flared. The second one, which is the longest straight line drone display, I needed to ensure that all of the drones are operational in the air for a minimum time of 30 seconds, and at the same time, this straight line is not less than 2 kilometers, and the distance between each and every drone is not less than 20 meters. And this is how they were able to achieve these 2 records. Congratulations, you are officially amazing.
Tonight, the Emirate of Ras Al Khaimah has once again proven why it's a destination like no other. Our New Year's Eve fireworks show broke 2 Guinness World Record titles for the 5th consecutive year. 2023 was a fantastic year for the Emirate with so many great achievements that put Ras Al Khaimah on the global map as a destination of the future. We're thrilled to be able to celebrate the success with our community and visitors as we look forward to another exciting year ahead. We welcomed 40,000 people to our destination physically that were able to enjoy the beautiful views that we did. The sky was alit with incredible fireworks, drone spectacular, and music that was composed especially for tonight. And the beauty of what happened tonight is it represented what we offer in the nature emirate. The mountain, the sea, and the desert all came together in a beautiful live display that I know was spectacular to everyone that was here. I am so proud that our firework display today achieved the Guinness World Record for 2 great achievements: the longest chain of aquatic floating fireworks and the longest straight line drone display. It's so important for us because it solidifies our fireworks and the events that we do as the must-see event for the year, not just locally, but globally around the world. It becomes the most talked about firework exhibition, and we're so proud of it.
Adam, we start with you.
Okay, everyone here for me please, big smiles.
Eyes here.
Looking great.